Welcome back to Civil Structure Tech Guruji YouTube channel. This video is presented by Engineer Hari. Watch full video for your better understanding. The load stress of a section can be reduced by, there are four options. A. Decreasing the lever arms, increasing the total perimeter of bars, replacing larger bars by greater numbers of smaller bars, and option D is replacing smaller bars by greater numbers of bars. So if you want to reduce the load stress of a section, then you have to replace larger bars by greater numbers of bars. So your answer C is correct. You have to reduce. It means that किसी भी section पर you have to increase numbers of bars, smaller bars, then this is not the correct option, and you have to replace it with the numbers of many smaller bars at a section. That is, if you want to reduce the load stress at a section, suppose this is a section and you have to reduce the load stress, then the bigger bar shall be replaced by the smaller one, many smaller bars. So your load stress at the particular section will be reduced. The column head support a flat slab is generally kept the diameter of 0.25 times the span length, 0.25 times the diameter of the column, 4 cm larger than the diameter of the column, and your option D is 5 cm larger than the diameter of the column. So the column head to support the flat slab shall be kept 0.25 times the span length. Right, this is the head of the column for a flat slab. The floor slab of a building is supported on reinforced concrete beams. The ratio of end and intermediate span is 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 0.6. Your correct answer is 0.9. This means that the end span of a continuous beam shall be 90% of the length of intermediate span of continuous beam. The ratio ensures structural efficiency, proper deflection, and even distribution of load on the slab. So this is the continuous beam, or this is the intermediate beam plus column. So this is the intermediate span and this will be the end span. तो end span जो होती है ये होती है 0.9 of the intermediate span, right? For more explanation, for example, suppose intermediate span is 3 meter and end span shall be 0.9 multiplied by 3 meter. This is intermediate span, this is I and this is E. So your end span shall be 2.7 meter, right? The end span shall be 0.9 of the intermediate span. Lapped splices in the tensile reinforcement are generally not used for the bar of size. तो लैप spliced 18 mm, 24 mm, 30 mm diameter, 36 mm diameter. किसके लिए लैप स्प्लाइस यूज नहीं होते हैं? द करेक्ट आंसर इज 36 mm diameter bar over which lap splices are not used. When two bar has to be extended, then some lap splices are given. So यदि आपकी diameter 36 mm है किसी बार की, then your lap splices are not allowed. If the width of the foundation of two equal column is restricted, the shape of the footing is generally square, rectangular, trapezoidal, and triangular. Your correct answer is rectangle. When the two equal column, the width is restricted. Column may be made of plain concrete if their unsupported length don't exceed their least lateral dimensions 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So your correct answer is option C. To clear the picture, I am giving some explanation. Suppose there is a given section here. Suppose this is 400 and this is 300. this is the column cross sections. So this lateral dimension is 300. So 300 multiplied by 4, this is 1200 mm. So any column height less than 1.2 meter, you have to cast as a plain concrete and you have not put any reinforcement inside it. So any column height restricted within 4 times the least lateral dimension of the column, you have to put only plain cement concrete. दूसरे वीडियो में हम जल्दी मिलने वाले हैं. टिल देन टेक केयर. यदि आप चैनल में नए हैं तो अपने लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब बटन प्लीज़ डालें ताकि आने वाला सभी नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलते रहे और इससे आप लाभ उठा सके. मेरे चैनल पर कई ऐसे आरसीसी डिजाइन, स्ट्रक्चर एनालिसिस, कंस्ट्रक्शन मैनेजमेंट वीडियो है, उसको आप देखकर बहुत लाभ उठा सकते हैं. ए ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट मी. आई एम इंजीनियर हरी, ए पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट इन स्ट्रक्चर इंजीनियरिंग प्लस मोर देन 25 year experience at the higher post of structure design, construction and management. Moreover, my hobby is in investment and stock market analysis. Thank you very much. Watch more.